Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria. Today I'm making this refreshing and creamy lime jello pie. It's a classic no-bake dessert that's light, delicious, and perfect for hot summer days when you don't want to turn on the oven. With just a few simple ingredients, you'll have an easy dessert that's perfect for barbecues, potlucks, family gatherings, or anytime you're craving something cool and sweet. The ingredients you'll need are a prepared graham cracker pie crust, or you can make your own if you prefer, a package of lime jello mix, regular or sugar-free, boiling water, cold water, and a container of Cool Whip or Dream Whip. I prefer to use homemade whipped cream, so you'll need cold, heavy whipping cream and powdered sugar. I'm using lime jello, but you can easily change it up with other flavors like lemon, strawberry, raspberry, or peach. Start by adding 1/2 cup of boiling water to a bowl. Stir in the 3-ounce package of lime jello mix until dissolved. Then add 1 cup of cold water and whisk until combined. Set the mixture aside and allow it to cool completely. While the jello mixture is cooling, prepare your whipped cream. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of cold heavy whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and whip until medium stiff peaks form. I personally like making my own whipped cream for this pie because it's made with just 2 simple ingredients, heavy cream and powdered sugar. It gives the pie a fresher, richer flavor, and I like knowing exactly what ingredients are going into it. Of course, if you're looking for the quickest option, you can use an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, which is what the classic version of this recipe traditionally uses. Once the jello mixture has cooled, slowly pour it into the whipped cream. Gently fold with a spatula until the filling is smooth and well combined. Then cover and refrigerate for about 1 hour or a little longer until it thickens slightly. After the filling has thickened, spoon it into your prepared graham cracker crust. Don't overfill the pie crust. If you have any filling left over, spoon it into a small dessert dish or decorative bowl, refrigerate, and enjoy it as a creamy lime dessert. Spread it out evenly and smooth the top. Now cover and refrigerate the pie for at least 6 hours or overnight if possible, so the filling has time to fully set. And here it is, the finished lime jello pie. You can serve it as is or add a little extra whipped cream and a slice of lime on top for a pretty finishing touch. You can also sprinkle some lime zest or toasted coconut flakes on top for extra flavor and a little texture. Look at how light and creamy this filling is. The lime flavor is bright and refreshing, and the graham cracker crust pairs perfectly with it. Oh, this is good. It's really good. You can really taste the fresh whipping cream. I love how simple this dessert is to make, yet it looks beautiful when served. It's a recipe that's sure to be enjoyed by family and friends. So what do you guys think? Yeah? You guys like lime? Is it tangy? I wasn't, Noah. You're all done. Good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.